I'm here and I'm suspecting it's and some pots that I'm so excited to show you. Also, you can share the link or the video with someone else to see, because we import some amazing stuff. You won't regret the wait. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another beautiful day. It's actually the next day after, of course, yesterday I was here as well. So I'm at the cargo right now this morning. It's very early, it's 7, so I'm still waiting for these guys to open. Excuse me. I have come to collect some cartons that came in yesterday. I got the message yesterday night, and mind you, yesterday I was here to collect some other goods, and the day before that I was also here to collect other goods. And yesterday I did ask if I had another because I found them offloading a container. I asked them if I had any goods in that container, and she told me no. Like, why am I getting a message at night? No, don't get me wrong, I love when goods come in, but she should have told me so that I could see if I can carry both of. Sorry y'all, my battery just died, so I have just changed to the other one. I have two of this. So she should have told me yesterday that I had some goods that came in so that I could arrange myself, because today I wasn't even thinking of going to town with the car. But I knew I was supposed to be in town very early because my girl will not be around today. She has some things to do. So it's me opening. So now it's 7 and I am here. I am waiting because they still haven't opened, but the guy told me that he's almost here, but the workers are here already. I'll turn the camera in a few to show you. So yeah, but right now I'm here and I'm suspecting it's air fryers that have come in, and some pots that I'm so excited to show you, but we will unbox all that with you. I will unbox them. Now the pots that are coming in, it's a Supplier set. It's a whole set. Now that Supplier set, I wasn't even supposed to. Sorry, that's a client confirming something with me. And it's so early, she's up. Anyway, what was I even saying? Anywho's, I can't wait to show you the pots because they are amazing. Now I only bought two pots, two sets, sorry, 2 sets, because the supplier said he couldn't send me one because I wanted a sample to see the quality of how the pots look like. So yeah, they are 2. I'm not sure when I'll be uploading this video, but I hope sitakuwa nimeuza, so that if any one of you is interested, you can let me know. But we will unbox them with you. I'm gonna leave my details or how to join the group in the comment section and also in the description box, so that you can join the group if you haven't already, but also you can share the link or the video with someone else to see, because we import some amazing stuff. You won't regret the wait. Even though that you have to wait for about 35-45 days or even 2 months, it's worth the wait. And also with the prices that I give you, they are nowhere close to the prices that are here in Kenya already. Anyway, let me stop talking too much. Let me just turn the camera so that you can see. So this is the cargo. As you can see, guys are outside waiting for the cargo to be opened. Someone did ask me what cargo I use. Now that information I do not disclose, because well, I do disclose if you text me kando, then we talk, because I charge usually for all these contacts. Now these are I trust these guys, and they can even give me, because we have had a longer relationship, they can give me the goods if I didn't have the money there with me at hand and promise to pay within some few days or a week even. So you can see that they cannot con me, because they have been bringing these things for me since I can't even remember. It's been a while that I have worked with these guys, so it's people that I trust. Now those contacts that I sell guys or I give to guys, they are contacts that I already use. So I do charge for these contacts because I know that they will not fail you. If you go to get from other places, now I wouldn't be liable. So now if you have to wait, because I have had cases that guys saying that their goods aren't here already, and probably over 6 months. So these guys make sure I get my goods within, yeah, we have, you know, a relationship like just any other relationship where I may complain because they did something, but that is very normal when you're in business. We complain a lot. Because now sometimes when the goods take longer than you expect, or you're told that your goods have been held in Mombasa with a container. Now, you know, a container doesn't just fit your goods. Now they are consolidated, so there are other people who have goods, and now your goods may not be like other people's goods. That means if theirs are held, yours will also be held together with theirs. But they make sure that we get our goods within at most, even if there are delays of about 2 to 3 weeks. That is the most I've had with them, delays now. But they make sure that I get my goods sometimes on time, sometimes in time, and sometimes now after the delays, but I still get my goods. I hope you get that. So yeah, let me quit talking because I've talked so much. And then, so today, as I said, I left the house quite early today, so I have my coffee. I carried my coffee, and I also didn't carry the straw because you can still take it like this, but it's very hot and it's also very cold outside. And so apart from that, I also carry my water. Whenever I have the car, I make sure that I carry the things that I will need throughout the day, because I hate buying water in town. Though sometimes I'll buy, but I hate buying water in town and tea in town, so I do carry mine most of the time. Anywho's, let's wait to see if the guys, I can see the other office has been opened, so let me go there and talk to them. Still haven't also taken this out, so yeah. Hey guys, so I have already collected the items. I'm in fact headed out of the warehouse. That's what I have done right now. So I'm headed to town. I have taken about 30 minutes. I didn't expect I would take that long, but yeah, that's how long I have taken. But as you can see, the cartons are right there, and some more ziko huko kwa boot. So let me catch you all in town. I don't know if I'm going to be able to unbox them in town, but if I do, well and good. If I don't, at home, that's where I'm going to unbox, because it's air fryers. Guys, I had ordered this very big air fryers. I think it's 8.5 liters of air fryer. The what is it called? The capacity is 8.5 liters, and then now the 2 sets of the cookware. But I cannot wait to use the cookware because I believe it's good quality, because the price that I paid for it was kind of high. It was high kidogo. So let me catch you all in town, and forgive my camera, it keeps on shifting. It keeps on shifting because of the barabara. It's very uneven. So baadaye in town. Yes, now nimefika Mombasa Road. So Jackie is helping me to unbox the air fryers. That's how they look like. The boxes are so huge, because I'm guessing the air fryer is big as well. Well, I'm not hoping. It is big. It's huge. Whoa! It can come out. Get it. Oh my gosh, it's so huge. It's so huge. So there it is. Where? Kubwa. Wow. 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 This is worth it. This is worth all the money.
Oh, okay. Hey, I want this one.
But what will I be frying? Just learned, oh my gosh, it's so big. This is 8.5. 8.5, right? 8.5. So to open, because this one you're supposed to remove, maybe when you are you can remove this part, the inside part, so that you can wash it. So to open, because it comes with this, you press this part and then voila, you remove. Now the other one that we had imported didn't have this function, but I think this is so good. Oh, let me now tell guys, now that I've seen it. Wow. This is so sleek, y'all. So the side and the back, the top part, you have to peel this paper off. Ndunde, I cannot wait to use mine. It's so gorgeous. So here is the set, the cookware set. So I want to open it right now.
Your way.